And the BJP all set to form Jharkhand's next government, winning 43 of the state's 81 seats along with its alliance partner, the All Jharkhand Students' Union. But Alok, what is this result now going to mean for the future of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha?
Well, Ankita, good evening. I'm sorry for doing this on your OB, but there's a BJP DJ playing behind me and they're singing Modi IRA songs. It's really difficult to look beyond that in Jharkhand right now. For the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, one shock in the fact that Hemant Soren, who was Chief Minister till recently, lost Dumka, which is a bastion of the Soren family really. The other thing being that they've managed 18 or 19 seats, so it's really not a decimation for them as was being predicted. They would say that they have done as well as they did the last time around, so they will look to build from there. So that's as far as the JMM is concerned. At the moment, like I said, it's all BJP in Ranchi. You can see all of these posters. We are at the Firai Lal Chowk, the main intersection in Ranchi. The entire space, hoarding space here has been taken over by the BJP. Earlier you would find a Hemant Soren, Shibu Soner banner. Right now, everything here is the BJP. In fact, my camera colleague Haribans was just joking about a Raghuvar Das poster that's put up here. Raghuvar Das is now a CM candidate, probable CM candidate. It says Purv Up Mukhyamantri, which is former Deputy Chief Minister, and Haribans was suggesting that very soon the Purv and the Up will go away. He might be Chief Minister. But anyway, at the moment, a big victory for the BJP here. That's one thing. The other surprising thing, a lot of losses, Ankita. Former Chief Ministers have all lost. Let's just see how that happened and how the BJP managed to get such a big victory, a majority here in Jharkhand. A clear majority, a big win for the BJP. But Arjun Munda, the party's most famous state leader and former chief minister, lost his election from Kharsama. For the BJP, it was a very good day today with the party, putting up its best ever performance in Jharkhand on the back of at least 9 rallies by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was also the BJP's star campaigner here in Jharkhand. And he was also somebody who repeatedly asked voters to give the BJP an absolute majority in the state. In the 14 years that Jharkhand has been a state, the BJP has ruled for the maximum time. Party leaders have long argued that difficult coalition partners have led to non-performance. This time the numbers are with the party, but the big question is, who will be Chief Minister? Sources say it could be this man, veteran BJP leader and former Deputy Chief Minister Raghuvar Das, who won from Jamshedpur.
ना इसका नेतृत्व को केंद्रीय नेतृत्व, हमारे पार्टी का नेतृत्व, हमारे पीएम और संसदीय बोर्ड निर्णय लेगी कौन बनेगा.
This has been a remarkable election in many ways. Not only has the state that saw 9 chief ministers in the last 14 years given one party a clear majority, it has also ensured defeat for many political stalwarts. Among them, former Chief Minister and Jharkhand Vikas Morcha leader Babulal Marandi, who lost both his seats. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader and former Chief Minister Hemant Soren, who lost his Dumka bastion to the BJP, though he won his other seat. And former Chief Minister Madhu Koda, accused in a multi-crore corruption case, who lost much known. Another big loser this election in Jharkhand, the Congress party, whose tally was down substantially. The party broke its alliance with the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha just before the election.
ये रॉन्ग असेसमेंट था. अगर हम लोग जिस तरह से सरकार चला रहे थे, इकट्ठा होके गए होते, तो कंफर्टेबली नहीं मोर देन 50 सीट हम लोग लाते.
Jharkhand is one of India's most underdeveloped states, where people live in extreme poverty. All this in spite of the state having huge mineral deposits. Celebrations apart, the big question is whether the BJP can turn things around in Jharkhand now. In Ranchi with camera person Haribansh Sharma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.